Today I want to run through quickly how to use ClixSense. I've actually done a full review on them and a video on how to use them in 2015, but they have done some changes which I've written a blog post about. If you want to check that out, you can find the link in my description below. How you can earn from ClixSense is through doing surveys, completing offers and completing tasks, as well as they have an affiliate program. And I'm going to run through all of those with you quickly. The first thing is, once you've signed up with ClixSense, you'll obviously sign up for free and then fill in all your details. And then when you log in, you're going to be on this page where your account details are going to show over here, along with all your earnings, details and stats. Your balance will show here, and then you can click cash out when you have a certain amount. You need to have earned at least $10 on ClixSense before you can cash out via any of the payment methods. The payment methods that ClixSense has is Payoneer, Payza, Skrill, Tango Card, and if you are in the United States or if you're in Canada, you can get paid out by a check. If you want to earn doing surveys, you look at the top menu over here and click on survey. And then there will be a list of the surveys available. Each one will show you how long it will take to do. It will also have the date or when it was added to ClixSense. And on the right hand side, it will show you exactly how much you will earn for that survey if you manage to complete it. And right next to that, it will either have no red flag or it will have a red flag. If there's no red flag, it means that as soon as you've completed the survey, that amount will be added to your balance. And if there is a red flag next to it, it means that once you've completed the survey, that amount will be added to your balance within 30 days. Below, you can also see that there are daily survey routers. So if there's nothing available here, you can then click below and see if there's anything available in each of these, and often there are. So to do the survey, you just click on anywhere on that survey, so you can do it on anywhere on that line and click on start. Now what you need to remember for online surveys is that even though there's a survey available, it does not mean you're going to be able to complete it. So ClixSense has your details, you filled in a bit about yourself, and they might disqualify you. And the reason for that is that companies are looking for a specific person, type of person, specific demographics to. Okay, you see the survey's unavailable. Check back later. And then you just got to say no, you weren't able to do that survey. Let's do this. Click on that one over there and have a look. Okay, so what often happens is you need to, before you complete a survey, I was kicked out of the first one. The second one is going to ask me just a couple of questions first to screen me to see if I fit the demographic that they're looking for. So obviously this is going to be a survey about some TV programs and TV channels. I'm not going to complete that now, I'll come back and do it later. The second way that you can earn is through offers, and if you click on each one of these is a different type of offer. So I'm going to click on Clicks Offers, and okay, here we go. It says book a flight with kiwi.com. So if you're flying somewhere, if you're going to fly anyway and you're going to go on a trip, book through them and then you will earn $5. Let's just see what this one is. devices that I have. Sorry. Okay, so if you do, you're gonna go, oh, this looks like it's games mostly. Okay, so if you install this game and you play for a bit, you will earn a bit of money. And each one has got different offers available. All you have to do is go through and have a look and see what you can do. Very often they ask you to sign up for a free trial of something before you need to remember to cancel before you have to pay. The next one is tasks. So you click on complete tasks and it will show you if there's something available for you. Just about tasks, there is a certain way that it works. When you first sign up, you don't have any level, and as you complete more tasks and you do them successfully, you will level up. So there's level 2, there's no level, there's level 1, there's level 2, there's level 3. And at the moment I have no level, and I see there's nothing available to me now. And the more that you level up, the more jobs will be available for you. So if you look on here, you can see if I was a higher level, what jobs would be available. So there's one for 1 cent, there's one for 28 cents, 3 cents. You can scroll down here and just see if there's like any that are really good. These are 42 cents. It's a $1.05. And you can see, you can also check your tasks history. If I click over there, I haven't done any, probably haven't even done any this year. So let's go to here and go to last year. I did spend a bit of time checking this out. There you go. January, February and March last year I did some tasks. So you can see I earned a little bit of bucks over there. And then the fourth way to earn is affiliates. And this is the main way that I earn at the moment. And I usually go into, you can see there's the program details if you want to see how it works. If people are signed up under your link, you will earn, after they've earned $5 in earnings, you earn a $2 bonus. And on every offer, survey and task someone does that signs up under me, I earn 20%. So if you sign up under me, thank you very much. I will earn 20% of whatever you earn. And this is where that I earn mostly at the moment. And what I like about it is that I did a video and I did a review and I did a video in 2015 on one of my websites, and I've been earning since then from that. I haven't really done much more than, you know, writing that article and doing that video, but people are still signing up from that. And if you click here, you can go to, you can look at your referrals, you can create campaigns. If you click on banners, you will see if you've got a website, then you can put these banners on your website. There's a whole choice of them over there with all the codes. And then if you just want to share your link, then that will be your own personal link. So you can share that on your website, you can share that on social media, you can send it out by email, on WhatsApp, whatever it is that you use, and you can tell people I'm doing online surveys and I'm earning some money. If you also want to do it for free, sign up over here. It's a great way to make money. Then the next thing that ClixSense has is games. I'm not going to go in there, it's not paid. So if you want to play games and you're on ClixSense, I suppose why not? I don't usually have time to play online games, so I'm going to skip that out. Then you've got the forum. Okay, over here you can see success stories. You can ask questions about things. It's really cool to sometimes go in and have a look. have a look at success stories. And just see here. Oh, there's someone at $8. That's nice. Let's click on that and have a look. So yeah, this guy says exactly what he's done. And if you look on the right hand side there, you can see the person's profile and you can see a little bit about them. You can set how much information of yours is shown. He's not showing much. Let's scroll. Okay, there we go. This user over here has earned over $2,000 since joining. And at the moment, the balance in this person's account is $19. 19 cents. And you can also, like for example, if you hover over this person's name, you can click and you can, there you go, you can start chatting to this person. Some people have blocked it so that you can't chat to them, but you can click on there and you can actually start a discussion. And you know, if you see it, someone starts a discussion or someone makes a comment on a forum and you want to talk to them or ask for help or whatever, then you can click on their name and have a chat with them. The last thing I want to show you is if you go back to your home screen here, on the right hand side you can also earn daily bonuses. So if you complete 10 tasks and 2 offers in a day and you visit the forum, they will give you a daily bonus for doing that, depending on what you earn. And then the other thing that you can also do is you can earn an extra bonus. So if you earn this daily bonus 3 days in a row, and you've got the Clicks add-on, which I'll explain in a second, you can earn even more. I have at times I've earned $2.21 through these bonuses before. The Clicks add-on, let's just have a look here, is if you hover over more, you will see Clicks add-on. And this is pretty cool. This won't work on a mobile phone, or a mobile platform, but if you're using a desktop, you can download the Clicks add-on to your browser. And what that will do is it'll add a little icon over here, and you do your settings. Oh, there, it'll show this up. Whenever a new survey or task or offer becomes available and you're busy working somewhere else, it'll show you. And that's quite nice because sometimes you have to be quick for these things so you can actually earn. Because each survey and each task and offer, they're only looking for a set amount of people. They've got a quota. And once that is hit, then you won't be able to, I think that's what happened with the other survey that I didn't qualify for. I think that what happened there is probably that was full. So it's been taken away. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below or on my website, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.